Right, got something interesting to show you. I bought this second-hand old E-Flite Cherokee, which I'm going to recondition completely, and it had a couple of spare wings with it, brand new wings, same colour scheme, as you can see. So I tried to work the servos, plugged it all in, and nothing worked, both wings, and it made a little squeaky noise. I thought, well, that's not right, obviously. So I took it all apart, and I've been scratching my head trying to figure out what the problem was. So I had a look inside here, and as you can see there, the signal wire there points to the front. There, it's a little bit blurred, but you can see it, right? So the signal wire should point to the front. Now these are oriented like this. If I take another plug for an example and show you, we have got signal at the back. Okay, so signal at the back on here. So signal is this end down here. Just to show you again, signal is at the front. So turns out both wings are the same. I had two new wings, which I've got here, and now I've got to change all these around. So just to let you know, don't trust everything they tell you, because it doesn't always pan out that way. Why they've reversed this installation, I have no idea. These are replacement wings for this aircraft. So anyway, just to let you know.